to the Price is Pearl Life Kitchen with me, Katrina. I'm cooking something, well, you already know. It's real good. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. The ingredients and recipe are in the description box below for your convenience. So to my glass bowl, I'm adding that delicious sauce for this at-home Chinese takeout recipe. I'm starting off with low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons and maybe a little more of honey. Next up, 1 clove of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. One tablespoon of sesame oil. And next, let's give everything a nice whisking and we'll set it aside for now. I'm using 4 skinless chicken breasts, cutting them into cubes or bite-sized pieces. So my chicken has been placed in a bowl and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Next, mix well. Did you know that cornstarch works as a thickening agent? Well, now you know. So now I'm going to heat my wok for about 2 minutes on medium-high heat. And shout out to my brother for my new wok. Thank you, brother. So this is optional. I added 2 capfuls of vegetable oil to the wok. And for about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to cook my chicken until it is golden brown. After thoroughly cooking my chicken, it's now time to introduce the sauce to the wok. You see all that goodness going in the pan? Chinese takeout here on the Johnson Ranch. So a few onions for garnish, and it's almost time for this meal. So if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by the channel. But don't, I say don't be a stranger. go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of The Price is Pearl Life. Because on my channel, I love sharing my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. I would love to have you join my growing YouTube family. If you enjoyed today's cooking video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because you know thumbs up and comments are the way you help my channel to continue to grow. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. The Price is Pearl Life on Instagram and on Facebook. And for a few more great cooking recipes, well then check out these cool videos before leaving YouTube on today. See you soon.